guys, and welcome back for another video. Today is going to be an announcement video for my newest pattern, the Coral Beach Bag pattern. I'm super excited. I wanted to make a dedicated video for you guys so that we could go over the beach bag and the features that it has, and then if you're interested, you can go in the description box down below, grab the pattern, and then meet me over at the tutorial. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the one that I made in the tutorial, and then I'm going to show you the second one I made, which is really fun and has contrasting fabrics so you can really change up the look of the bag. Okay, so here is our beach bag. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? It is a boxed bottom beach bag. So it has dedicated panels for the sides and the bottom. On the front we have these beautiful pockets. I have 4 here, but you can customize them for whatever size that you want. If you have, you know, baby bottles going in here or flip-flops, you can really decide the size you want, and I show you that all in the pattern. So I chose to do 4 in the front. On the side we have some water bottle pockets that is on both sides with a little boxed bottom. On the back we have this huge zipper panel, and that will have a waterproof compartment, and this is going to be great for when you want to keep things either safe from getting wet on the inside, or if you want to put like wet bathing suits at the end of the day from, you know, a water park, you can stick them in here and then everything on the inside will stay nice and dry. So I really like the size of that pocket. On the top we have a zipper gusset to make sure that nothing falls out. We have these 2 shoulder straps, and then we have an optional crossbody strap also for you moms out there who have, you know, beach chairs and toys and all the things, and you don't want to have to carry it over the shoulder. So we're going to go ahead and open it and see what's inside. So I have a really nice large zipper, so you could essentially push this gusset out of the way if you didn't want to use it, if it was just overflowing with things. On the inside we have another waterproof compartment zipper. And then on the opposite side, we have some slip pockets that, again, you can use for water bottles, books, diapers, wipes, you know, all the things that you want to store. Throughout the tutorial, you will learn how you can customize all of the different aspects of this bag. This is how I have made it, and I love all of the different aspects and compartments and features, but you can really make it your own at the end of the day. So this is the bag. I made it out of some water resistant canvas for the outer and then waterproof lining on the inside. I really like the waterproof lining because it adds structure and durability to this bag. And then if you're at a water park and you put it down, nothing is going to get wet on the inside because we have, you know, those 2 waterproof layers that are protecting the contents of your bag. So you can use this for so many other things, not just a beach bag, but of course it is going to be the best beach bag if that's what you choose to use it as. So this is the second one I made. I'm going to show you the first one, which is absolutely gorgeous, if I should say so myself. I do love my flamingos. If you've been following me long enough, you know that I am flamingo crazy. So of course I had fun with the flamingo zippers on this bag. Okay, so here is the second one that I made, and as you can see, I use contrasting fabric with this beautiful floral and this umbrella print fabric. It really helps to make those pockets pop, so you can really see them. And then I had so much fun with the zipper too. I used this beautiful rainbow zipper on the top and the sides, and that is just going to add some, you know, just customization. You're not going to find this in the store, you know. I got these zippers over at My Fabric Dresser. I'll leave a link down below for her shop. She's a Canadian little shop, and she is just killing it these days with her zippers. I put another one on the inside, and then I had some fun color blocking on the inside with a purple pocket, and then turquoise and blue for the gusset. So I really, really love this one. I love my flamingos, but I really love this one too. gonna be hard to choose which one to use and which one to give away. So yes, the pattern again will be in the description box below. It will be on sale for a limited time for this new release, of course. So I hope that you go and check it out. If you're curious as to what type of machine that I use to sew it, I sewed it on my brand new Janome MC6700P. This is a very durable and strong machine, but I can assure you that you can sew this on something a little bit less heavy duty. As long as you use a denim needle or something, a strong heavy duty needle, you'll be able to get through these types of materials no problem at all. So again, all the information for the pattern will be in the description box down below, so you can go over and grab the pattern. So I hope that you give it a try, and if you do, I would love to see it. So please follow me on all of my social media. All those links will be in the description. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys over in the tutorial. Bye guys!